BMW, Mercedes, then he told me coconut cake.
He told you like coconut cake?
So the guy was retarded, is that what you're saying? The guy had mental problems?
No!
You were slowing that.
The guy was a retard, is that what you're saying?
Like the guy was, his son is a little bit fool, okay? And he doesn't trust his wife. And he told him, stay with your mom, I'm gonna go to the market and come back. So the guy coming from the market with the grocery stuff and he met his son in the street and he told him, what are you doing? He said, well, I'm playing. What's his mommy doing? He said, well, a guy gets in, my mom took her clothes and he took her and they start to fuck and they said, and he hit his son here and said, go, my wife is fucked and I have a full son.
Fuck.
Oh fuck, yo, Igloo's right here, right?
Good shit, yeah, yo, let's get out, let's get out.
No, what I wanna do, I wanna go inside this shit, you see what I mean? I wanna fuck up.
Yeah, you wanna go in, get in there, fuck up some
I want
shit,
you to fuck them up for
and
sure,
you can
man.
fuck some girls.
Fuck them up! Fuck them up, nigga!
First thing.
So did I.
Oh yeah, yo, I got 5 on it.
Okay, yeah, I have a